Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the Wandering Wilson channel. This is video vlog number 2 on converting my Citroen Berlingo into a camper. Woohoo! Today is assembly day, not like when you go to school and sing hymns. Today is where we're going to assemble the bed, which I'm very, very excited about. So I'm going to stop blabbing on. Let's go. So here's how we made the bed platform. First, you're going to measure out 3 pieces. The first bit will be for the seated area, the second bit goes over the seats that are folded down, and then the third bit is for the footwell at the back of the car. Here I'm measuring out legs for the seated area. We're going to cut 4 legs for each seat. And this will then create a sturdy frame for you to pop your arse on. So I'm just on my way to get L brackets for the frame, make it a bit more secure so that when I sit my arse on the seat, it's not going to collapse, because we wouldn't want that, would we? Or at least I wouldn't. I'm sure you guys would have a laugh. It is bloody freezing today. My hands are frozen. I look tiny in this car, or at least the angle that I've got. I look absolutely dinky. I look like a kid driving a car. This is my van. Welcome. DIY. Let's go get some L brackets. Woohoo! With mid-frame. Well, I say we. I helped, which is going to go underneath for the seats. But we need some more L brackets. These are the ones I picked up before. As you can see, both sides have 4 legs and each side has a frame at the top to make it structurally sturdy. This part is going in the boot of the car, and it's going to have 2 pieces fold over on top of it to make it really easy to store if I ever needed to use the back seats. Because the bed platform folds back into the boot, you're going to need some hinges to allow yourself to do this. I bought 1 big hinge and 2 smaller hinges. The reason why the middle bit won't be hinged is because we can remove this to allow for the seating area. This way. Mind my finger. Mind my finger.
Oh, sorry.
So we need a leg. To make the legs for the footwell behind the front seats, I came up with an idea to put a piece of doweling in the end of a piece of wood, put a hole in the platform so that we can slot the leg into the plywood, giving structure to the top of the bed. That's good. And here we have the final bed platform. As you can see, the middle bit can be removed. Full bed platform goes over the back seats, which are folded down, and then stores nice and tight in the back of the boot. That's perfect, that.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Get stuff in there.
Yeah, and then, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Lots of storage space. Bed platform completo. Woo! The weather is disgusting. Can't do a Scottish accent. And I hope you know what I'm talking about when I see it's disgusting. Nearly coming together, and then we've got to sort out the curtains, which I have no idea how I'm going to do then, but we shall figure it out, won't we? Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you did like this video, please give it a like, a share, a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next week for more Bertie Convertie on a Wandering Wednesday.